Good day, everyone. Learn how to blur the image in Canva. So I'll quickly open the browser and I'll open the Canva. Once I'll open the Canva, I'll open any of the design which I want to blur. So let's say this is the picture or part of the picture which I want to design. So you can select whatever you want to blur, and once you have selected it, you will find edit, BG remover, flip, animate, position. We don't have to go from the left hand side. We only need to click on this edit once we select. So I'll click on edit, and here you will find Magic Studio, filters, effects, apps. So you can do a lot of things in apps. However, the best way to blur the image is from FX effect. So here I'll select this blur. If you do not find it, just scroll to the next and you will find the blur. And here, once you've selected, you can either use the brush which you want to blur. So let's say if I want to blur the face part, I can do that like this. And then I will just increase the intensity, or I can decrease the intensity. Or if you want to do the whole image, you can do that. I have selected the whole image and now I'll increase the intensity. You can see the change in the image. You see that? Now once you're satisfied with the blur, you don't have to save anywhere. You just need to click on back, and then you need to click on share, and you can download it. So this is how you can blur the image in Canva. If you find this Canva tutorial, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.